Hi class, welcome to another lesson we have or another exercise for our topic word problem. So this is the exercise number 2 on the slides that I have uploaded on BBL. Okay, so let's read first. Alright, so for example number 2, this is a number problem. Find 3 consecutive even integers so that the sum of the 3 numbers is 2 more than twice the third. So again, we are looking for 3 consecutive even. Okay, so we have the even integers. Alright? So, we need to look for 3 consecutive even integers so that if we add these 3 consecutive even integers, we get, or this one is equivalent to 2 more than twice the third. Okay? So, 2 more than twice, twice the third integer or the third even integer. Okay. So, this is what we need to look for. Okay. Now, what we are doing is we are analyzing, identifying the problem, and then we are analyzing what is being asked, and then we will assign a variable. Okay, but let us take note of some of the terms that we need to remember in order for us to know what operation we are going to use. Alright, so if we see this more than, this is, or this indicates addition. So the operation that we're going to use is addition. So here, it says here, the 3 consecutive integers, if you add them, that is equal to 2 more than. So 2 plus the third integer, okay? Now, if we see less than, then the operation we're going to use is subtraction. Alright? And if we use or we see the term twice as or thrice as, okay, so there's like, okay, so times, okay, so n times, okay, so this one is multiplication. Alright. Okay. So again, if we see more than, that is addition, less than it's subtraction, and then twice, thrice, or the n times, that is multiplication. Now let's proceed to assigning variable. So since we are looking for 3 consecutive integers, okay, let us use x. Okay, so it's always x. That is very popular. So let x be the integer. Okay? Now, if we want to identify, so that would be the integer. Now, since we are looking for 3 consecutive integer, so that would be x sub 1, okay, x sub 2, and x sub 3. So, 3 consecutive integers. So, x sub 1, x sub 2, x sub 3. Now, for x sub 1, okay, since we are looking for even integers, so remember, to make a number even, it has to be divisible by 2. So, any number that you multiply to 2 will be, or will give you, an even result. So, say, for example, if you multiply 5, which is an odd number, to 2, then it gives you 10, which is an even integer. Okay, so I'm giving you this explanation so that you would understand how would you come up with an even integer. So, pag sinabing even, alam na natin na kailangan divisible yan by 2. Okay? So, in order for us to make it divisible by 2, then dapat nakamultiply siya sa 2. So, si x sub 1, ang ano niya ay 2x. So, that will be your first, excuse me, this will be your first, ito yung kumbaga yung, ano mo, yung equation mo. Si x sub 1, equivalent niya ay 2x. Okay? Si x sub 2, since 3 consecutive, so even 2x plus 2. Okay? Ma'am, bakit 2? Kasi nga, kailangan magkasunod. Dapat even. So, kailangan plus 2. Hindi pwedeng plus 1 yan. Kasi, kahit na i-multiply mo siya or divisible siya sa 2, pag inad mo yung 1 na yan, magiging odd yan. So, better to use 2 to again get the result of what is being asked. Even integer. And then, 2x plus 4. Ma'am, bakit 4 hindi 2? Kasi consecutive, dapat sunod. Magkasunod. Anong kasunod ng 2, di ba? 4. Yung even ha. So, yan yung magiging, ano natin, yung katumbas ng sa x sub 1, x sub 2, and then x sub 3. Ngayon, now let's put it to the, let's write it into equation na nakasulat dito sa word problem natin. So, if we add or the sum of 3 consecutive even integers, okay, is equal to 2 more than twice the third integer. So, i-add natin ngayon kasi the sum. So, i-add natin. So, see, x sub 1 plus x sub 2 plus x sub 3 equals, so pag inad mo tong tatlong to, equivalent siya ng 2 plus, okay, twice x sub 3. So, imumultiply natin si 2 doon sa third integer. Okay? Ngayon, let us apply the equivalent of the integers. So, magiging, so x sub 1 is 2x plus x sub 2 is, ilagay natin sa parenthesis para lang ma-identify na magkahiwalay sila, 2x plus 2, alright, plus, and then x sub 3 is 2x plus 4 equals, and then 2 plus, so ita times natin sa 2x plus 4. Kasi nga, ang sabi ay twice the third integer. So, ang third integer natin ay equivalent to 2x plus 4. Now, since we have this equation, ano na natin? I-solve na natin. So, si 2x, 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 so that's 6x plus 2, and then 4, that is 6 equals 2 plus this one, i-distribute 4x plus 8. So, transpose ito dito sa kabila naman. So, 6x minus 4x, di ba? 6x minus 4x kasi positive siya dun sa kabila. And then here, 2 plus, 8. And then, magiging negative 6 to. Kasi nga, positive siya dito sa left side. So, this becomes 2x equals, then 2 plus 8, 10 minus 6, this becomes 4. So, we get rid of the coefficient. So, to get the value of x. Then, x is equivalent to, so divided by 2 rin, equivalent to 2. So, now your x is 2. That is your integer. Now, let's apply it. Kasi nga, we need to look for the 3 consecutive even integers. Okay? So, lagay natin dito. So, ang ating x ay si 2. Let me just erase this para mayroon pa tayong space. Ayan. Okay, now let's apply. So, if x is equals to 2, then our x sub 1, okay, ay, so, ito magiging 2 times 2, 4. Okay? Ito naman ay 2 times 2 plus 2. So, 4 plus 2 is 6. Ito naman ay 2 times 2 plus 4 ay 2 times 2, 4, 8. Did we get it correctly? So again, we are looking for 3 consecutive even integers. 4, 6, 8. Okay. Alright? Now, let's try to check kung tama yung 3 consecutive even integers natin. Kasi ang sabi, it must be equal to 2 more than twice the third integer. Okay. So, naalala niyo yung kaninang equation, di ba? X sub 1 plus X sub 2 plus X sub 3 equals 2 plus 2 X sub 3. Okay? So, let's try to check if we get the correct consecutive integers. So, X sub 1 is 4. X sub 2 is 6. X sub 3 is 8. So, 4 plus 6 plus 8 equals 2 plus 2 times 8. Okay. So, 4 plus 6 is 10 plus 8 is 18. Equals 2 plus 2 times 8 is 16. So, 18 equals 18. So, ang sabi ay 2 more than twice. So, 2 more than twice nung third yung consecutive, yung integer. So, 16 and then 2. So, tama yung ating nakuhang integers. Okay? So, that's how you solve the number problem. Okay. Let's have another example.